Towards the bottom of your screen, particularly the bottom left, you'll see there are 3 sheets by default. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. This particular button here enables you to add more sheets. Sheet 4, if I click it, Sheet 5 and Sheet 6. You can have up to 255 sheets. Now below the sheets is an area known as the status bar, and to the right of the status bar you'll see a plus and a minus. The plus increases the magnification or zooms in, so if you're visually challenged like myself, this is very handy. The minus, of course, reduces the magnification. You can in fact drag the slider and take the magnification up to 400% if you really want to blow things up, or take it right down to 10% and make it really small, including the mouse. I'm going to drag the slider back to midway, which is 100%. If you wish to be pedantic, you can actually click the 100% and you can specify what percentage of magnification you'd like. I'm taking out the 100% and putting 92. And when I go OK, 92 is the percentage of magnification I'm seeing. Now the fact that these buttons are available is because they've been turned on. If you right click the status bar anywhere here, you'll get a list. If I untick the last 3 options, those buttons have disappeared. If I retick them, they come back. I'm suggesting that you turn all of these options on. And again, just like the Quick Access Toolbar, these options will remain on when you exit Excel and come back in. These options are telling me that currently I have the caps lock off, that currently I have the num lock on, and I'm seeing some extra buttons on my status bar, and we'll be using these as we work with Excel.